Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pinkvilla.
The first time I ever felt elated to receive a compliment was in my first movie Narsimha, and I had gone to see it in the theatre, in Minerva Theatre. And when my song came, and I think it is the moment that will be engraved in my mind for the rest of my life. And people were throwing money, and a coin actually came and fell on my lap. And oh my God, the feeling of being a star is absolutely elating. First job was when I was in school, I guess in front of the camera. Yes, in a Marathi film, which was directed by Dr. Sriram Lagu. Paycheck actually also came from the same movie, because that was the first time I was doing it professionally. And I don't remember how much it was. I really don't. I didn't. I think my parents must have bought something for me. My first ever co-star, well, not many know, but I'm not talking about my male co-stars necessarily here, but my first on-screen co-star was Tanuja, today's actor Kajol's mother, and she was playing my mother in the film. So I have fondest of memories of working with her, and she was absolutely wonderful and warm, and never felt like I was working with a star and such a big actor, and would always be thankful to her for that. My first ever professional photo shoot was, I think, the one I did for my portfolio with I think Jayesh Seth, amazing, sweet human being and a lovely photographer, and it was done with the in things, and it was lovely. My first full-blown dance number was in my first film Narsimha, and we were introduced as the dancing pair of the year. And having not received any formal training in dance whatsoever, I was not nervous. It was I was in between, like super excited and super, I wouldn't say nervous, because nervous has a kind of a negative connotation to it, but it was full-on dance, and man, did I have to dance, but it was awesome. I think that's when I realized that I am the best, and I come out my best when I dance. Oh, first designer handbag was like really ages ago. It was a really tiny Gucci bag, which I still have somewhere, because it's still it's beyond time. It's just a classic. First time I wore heels is impossible to remember, because I was always fascinated with dressing up and wearing heels, and I am not a flat shoe person at all. I think they're very boring. Even at the time when I had broken my ankle, I was only upset because I had to wear flats. That was in school, I think in my third or fourth grade, that I wore a sari for the first time. It was in a play that I was doing in my school, and I was playing a queen, a really rich and arrogant queen. And that's when I had to wear a pink color, beautiful pink, and with like a golden embroidered kind of sari. And it was really difficult. First celebrity moment, you know, I've been so blessed in my life that first celebrity moment will have to be really long ago, when I was a child and I was already acting in movies. And back home, I was a nobody. I was just another child of the house. I was another baby in the house. But when you went out and when you saw people kind of treating you differently, and that was very long ago. I've had a blessed life. First encounter with makeup was also very long ago, because I remember acting ever since I remember anything at all. And initially it was in my school plays and play competitions and, you know, all of those. Yeah, I think it was in a second or third standard when I was playing a rabbit in my school play. So my whole face was white with some with some pinkish lips happening and all of that. So, my God, I must have looked like quite a rabbit. First crush was definitely the school cricket captain that we had, and he never even knew. And he won't know even today, and now I don't remember his name. I have loved traveling all my life. So first travel experience, Was actually not abroad, it was first in India somewhere. It was with the family where we had gone to Kanyakumari and the whole of South, and I was mesmerized with the beauty of the Indian architecture even as a child. And I think honestly, go east or west, India is the best. You're never going to see the kind of landscapes that you have in one country, possibly, from everything to everything to everything. So yeah, as a child, it was down south. First house was the parental house, which we still have, where all of us grew up, and it was not too small, too big, it was just perfect. First time I fell in love, I think more than anything from ever that I remember, I have been in love with life above everything else, and then in love with the magic of cinema and camera. First phone I ever had was this, the mobile phone was this huge, I don't remember oh God, I don't remember which one it was, but it was really huge and heavy, and those times they were so big that if you could hit someone with it, they would actually just definitely at least faint. It was a good instrument for your safety as well. First car that I bought was a white Fiat, and it was a second-hand white Fiat, as a matter of fact. But I drove it the most, and it was manual, so I'm very proud of myself that I was such an amazing driver even on manual cars. First time I pampered myself. I think every time I've traveled, I think my favorite destination to shop for the longest time was New York. So the first time I went for my world tour, I really went berserk, and I bought and bought and bought almost clothes, and funnily enough, not for myself as much as I bought for my movies. So even then I was thinking, so loads of the clothes that I wore in Dor and a lot of other films were the ones I had picked up on that trip. But I went crazy shopping. I've enjoyed sharing lots of my firsts with you for the first time as well. So I hope you have enjoyed watching it, and if you like it, don't forget to put like below and share it with your friends and everyone else, and of course subscribe to Pink Villa.